Completing a dissertation or thesis is a significant milestone, a testament to years of dedication and research. But what if your work could reach an even wider audience? What if your findings could influence your field, shape policies, or inspire further research? The answer lies in transforming your thesis into a journal article, a process that opens doors to academic publishing and helps establish your voice as a researcher. Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for academic writing and publishing tips. In today's video, we'll discuss how to adapt your dissertation or thesis into a publishable journal article. Whether you are a graduate student, an early career researcher, or simply exploring academic publishing, this step-by-step guide is for you. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Why you should publish your thesis or dissertation. Deciding if your work is ready for publication. A detailed guide to adapting your thesis for journal submission. Tips for navigating the submission and peer review process. Why publish your dissertation or thesis? Publishing your dissertation or thesis is about more than adding a line to your CV. It's your opportunity to 1. Showcase your work. Share your research with a global audience and contribute to your field. 2. Boost your profile. Published work is highly valued in academia and can help you secure jobs, grants, and collaborations. 3. Build your research portfolio. A journal article serves as a stepping stone for future projects and collaborations. Think of it this way. Your dissertation is the cornerstone of your research career. Publishing it transforms all those hours of work into something tangible and impactful. Before diving into the adaptation process, it's crucial to evaluate whether your work is ready for publication. Ask yourself these key questions. 1. Novelty. Does your research make a unique contribution to the field? Journals prioritize work that introduces fresh insights or perspectives. If your dissertation primarily synthesizes existing knowledge, it may not be suitable for publication in its current form. 2. Relevance. Does it address significant questions or fill an important gap in the literature? Reflect on whether your findings tell a compelling story or answer pressing questions. 3. Gaps in analysis. Are there areas where additional data or analyses are needed? For instance, is your sample size large enough? Are there ambiguities in your findings that need clarification? Here's a checklist to guide you. Conduct additional experiments if necessary. Consult with colleagues or mentors to assess the potential of your findings. Identify journals where your work might fit. Understanding the audience and scope of a journal can help you refine your manuscript. Dissertations and journal articles are two very different beasts. While dissertations are comprehensive, journal articles are concise, focused, and tailored to a specific audience. Let's break down the adaptation process. Step 1. Understand journal requirements. Every journal has its own submission guidelines, including word limits, formatting styles, and structural expectations. Start by reviewing these guidelines carefully. Most journals provide clear instructions on their website. Step 2. Focus on brevity and clarity. Dissertations are often over 100 pages long, while journal articles are usually under 30 pages, including references, tables, and figures. Here's how to condense your work. 1. Shorten the introduction by focusing only on literature directly relevant to your research questions. 2. Summarize your methods section. Include only the essentials needed for readers to understand your approach. 3. Report key findings in the results section. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too many exploratory analyses. Step 3. Tailor each section. S6. Let's go section by section. 1. Abstract. Condense to 150 to 250 words. Highlight key objectives, methods, findings, and implications. 2. Introduction. Summarize the literature review and clearly state your research question or hypothesis. 3. Methods. Include essential details, referring to supplemental material for extensive descriptions. 4. Results. Focus on primary analysis. Leave additional findings for supplementary files if needed. 5. Discussion. relate findings to existing literature, discuss limitations, and suggest future research directions. 6. References. Include only the most pertinent references. Step 4. Get it reviewed. After completing writing of your article, take some time to give it a thorough review. Later on, approach a published scholar to review your article and consider her feedback before actual submission to the journal. There are two main strategies for adapting your thesis: the multiple paper strategy and the conversion strategy. With the multiple paper strategy, you structure your dissertation as a series of standalone papers during the writing process. Each paper focuses on a specific research question and is formatted for journal submission. The conversion strategy involves reformatting your completed dissertation into one or more articles. This requires significant editing to fit the journal's style and focus. Here are some final tips to maximize your chances of success. 1. Seek feedback. Share drafts with advisors or colleagues. They can provide valuable insights and catch errors. 2. Study published articles. Look at articles in your target journal to understand their style and structure. 3. Be patient. The peer review process can take time, but revisions are a normal part of the journey. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more academic writing tips. And let me know in the comments, what part of the publishing process do you want us to cover next? Happy writing!